Alright, I think we're done here. We are done with the workout. We are done with everything. I'm tired. I'm going home. Not gonna lie. Pretty good workout. Pretty good chest workout. And from there, I hit cardio. So that was great. And I don't even feel like that tired like the other days. I think it's because I'm doing more cardio. And I feel like with more energy, I mean, you can hear my voice that I'm tired. But like the other days that I hit cardio, it was like I was so tired I couldn't even talk. So it was like scary, you know. I was like scared to even drive. I was like, shit, can I drive like this? I felt like I was like not me. I was really tired. I felt like with no energy. So now I'm actually gonna do what I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I gotta eat something. I'm not even close to 200 grams of protein, and I haven't eaten eggs. I didn't even eat eggs yesterday, and even the day before, I think. So I think I'm gonna do a couple eggs and protein shake. The only problem with that is if I do that tomorrow, like for me to sleep tonight, it's gonna be hard. And for me to wake up tomorrow, it's gonna be hard as well. And the reason is because I gotta wake up early because I have work at 8 o'clock tomorrow, 8 in the morning. So like, you know, my job is like 3 minutes away from me. But anyways, I gotta get ready, I gotta shower, I gotta like my hair, I'm getting my hair is long right now, so I gotta do something about it because I can't just pop up. I work like this, like looking like crazy. So it's kind of hard. Like this week is gonna be tough for me with the sleep hours. It's gonna be really tough for me because I have work, straight work until Sunday. So I have 2 weeks of straight work, 14 days without no rest, 14 days without day off, no day off, no nothing. I've been working and working and working as soon as I got here to the country from my vacation. I have been working every single day, and I have been doing overtime every single day. So I actually came here on Sunday, not this one, the past one. So from there I have been working Monday. I work Monday, Tuesday, like everything, and today's Monday. And I have keep working and working and working. So this week is gonna be the same. Then that Monday is gonna be Labor Day, and then Wednesday I'll be off. Well, if they need me, I'll be going to work for like a couple hours just to do some overtime. I'm down with that, you know. I'll tell him if you need me in the morning, I could be there if you want. If not, I don't think he needs me for real. So, but yeah, it's feeling better. And now my school is gonna be start, and you know I'll be working, and I'll be doing a balance. And I'll be doing balance from work and school, and the content, social media. You know, I can't just forget about the content I'm doing and the people that I'm helping. I can't forget about that, so I gotta do content. I can't forget about content. You know, there's gonna be days like today. There's gonna be days I'm not gonna post anything. There's gonna be days that I'm not gonna be able to. There's gonna be days that, you know, I was busy. I had to do stuff. I had to do errands. I had to do stuff, and I was not able to. But I can't do it every day, because if not, I'm gonna lose followers. I'm gonna lose reach. I'm gonna lose the algorithm. I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna lose it. So I don't want to lose it. So I gotta work and work and work every single day. So, damn. Now that I think about it, I usually take highway to go home. Oh no, I don't take highway. I take highway from. Okay, yeah, we good. I mean, I don't usually take this road. They always working on this road, like for real. There's always people working on this road, like construction shit. It's always something on traffic. Always something happens in Lawrence Road. This road is like that, but today it looks like it's gonna be fine, and I'm gonna be home. It's already 12 o'clock. And I thought I was gonna be able to do it earlier, but it is what it is. We done it. We did it. That was the point for me to do it. I did it. Made it happen. Like always. So I hope I didn't forget anything in the gym. I don't want to have to come tomorrow, get whatever stuff. I like to do it slower, but today I didn't do that slow. I hope I can take that green light damn, I just talked and that was it. God damn. I literally said, I hope I can get that green. It went to Jello in like a freaking fraction of a second. Not even a second. It was like a fraction of a second. Damn. But yeah, got work tomorrow. I got to edit videos. I got to post and upload a lot of stuff. I'm gonna have my laptop at work at the office, and I'm gonna work on some stuff. I'm gonna write some articles. I'm gonna write some stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow. I'm gonna have my laptop. It's gonna be tough for me to actually do some of that because it's just gonna be me and my boss. I don't know how busy it's gonna be tomorrow. I can actually check it out in my computer and see how it's gonna be and see how the afternoon is gonna be. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take my lunch and take it there to the office and microwave it there, just because it's just two of my boss and me. So it's kind of hard. All the other people are off. My other 2 workers are on vacation, and then the other one is her day off. So it's like it's just me and my boss. Straight work from 8 o'clock until 6 o'clock. So it's gonna be kind of, what the fuck was that? I don't know what was that. Oh, and I forgot, this video is just gonna be one way to my home. I couldn't record, so I'm not gonna be able to actually record when I go to the gym unless it's straight to the gym. So today I went from home to take my girl to her home. So from there I went to the gym. So the thing is, I don't want to record with my girl in here. You know, it's actually like a time where we talk about whatever is happening. It's the first day I have seen her in 4 months, so I didn't want to record. So I actually, in the other videos, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the gym from here to there, and then from there I'm gonna pick her up. So some days it's gonna be like one way going to the gym or one way going from the gym to home. So it depends on the situation. It depends on what happened. But if, let's say for example, I go to in the morning, I'm gonna have one going to the gym and coming back from the gym. But some days, you know, I don't want to record with my girl in here. I don't want to be talking with my girl in here. You know, the point is to be driving and, you know, talking when I'm by myself, talking and showing the road. But I don't want to like invade or like show my girlfriend in the camera or anything like that. I don't want to do that, you know, at least not right now. I don't want to be doing that. I don't want to annoy her with that as well. I don't want to be talking or paying attention to the video when I have to pay attention to her and pay attention to the road at the same time. So it's like double job, you know. So we are home already. I am hungry, so I'm going to see what I'm going to make. I hope nobody's making anything in my kitchen. I hope so. If not, I'm gonna have to just, I don't care, but I'm gonna have to do something. But I'm hungry. Let me see, some people are there. I don't know if there's a parking lot, but let me see if I can find one. All right, I'll see you guys.